Fucking hell, mate, open your fucking eyes! Wanker! What a fucking bell end. Good morning. Is it still morning? Yes, it is. 10:30. So I've got an unexpected day off through the week. So as the sun's out, I'm going to go and meet up with Steve, because Steve's got the day off as well. And we're going to go to Kawasaki, Bournemouth. Retired and got the day off. So, what on earth is that? Look at the old dragons up there. That's new. See how easily I get distracted, look. I need to get a hoochie on, actually. I told Steve I'll be there at 11. So I've got 19 minutes to probably do a 30-minute run. Let's see. So that's got the boring dual carriageway out the way. Right, I think I might put the 360 on for this bit. So the new 360 is on. That is a brand new one. I had trouble with the other one. Kept misting up the lenses. Has he seen me? Yes, he has. Yeah, so it kept fogging up the lenses, and I got hold of DJI and a lady called Nora. Was telling me that if I wanted the lenses changed, it would be chargeable. And then she emailed back and said, actually, it's still under warranty. We'll do it under that if it's found not to be anything that through negligence. I mean, that other camera had been used probably 5-6 times, certainly no more than 10, and yeah, both bloody lenses were fogging up. So anyway, they didn't repair the other one, they just sent me a brand new sealed in the box camera. That is a spanking brand new tickety boo, nice shiny one. So hopefully these lenses aren't going to bloody fog up. If they do, it'll go back again. So trying out Stegra again today. I've plotted the map, and when we come through Bournemouth, I've tried to make it so there's lots of turns down the back roads, side roads. I just want to see how good it is to stick into what I planned, because I have to say at the moment it's been pretty much flawless. The interface takes some getting used to. It's completely, or quite a bit different to my route app. It's good, I like it. It's certainly worth having as a second sort of routing app on your phone. Now when we go to Scotland, if the server for my route app was to go down, we'd have Stegra, and vice versa. If we were using Stegra, which probably will, I'd have my route app as the backup one. So I'll put both routes, I'll put the route onto both of the routing apps, and hopefully we'll be covered. Nice. That old tree, look. Spooky. Now this is the Drax estate on the right with this long wall, and I've mentioned this a few times in the video, and as you'll see in a minute, there's a stag on top of one of the arches over the entrance, one of the entrances to the estate, and it looks like it's got 5 legs. Lots of stories about why it looks like it's got 5 legs. One of them is that the lord of the manor, when he looked out of his window, he saw the stag and it looked like it only had 3 legs, because from where he was looking, one was right behind the other, so it looked like it was 3-legged. So they stuck this other thing in there so that he could see it with 4 legs. That's one of the stories. The other is that it's just like a support thing in there that makes it look like it's got 4 legs. Another one is it's done it purely, no matter what way you look at it, you look, we see at least 4 legs. There she is, up the top there. The 5, if you ask anyone local, where's the 5-legged stag, they all know where it is. Well, you might want to stay there, mate. I ain't. Ah, look, there's a tank. Big old piece of shit that is, look. Oh, it's a what's name layer, isn't it? It's the old engineers where they lay the roads down. Fucking hell, mate, open your fucking eyes! Wanker! What a fucking bell end! What a cock!
I forgot how loud Google Maps was when you got the volume on, so I'll switch it off when you pull up in here.
Yeah, she's got to get turned off. She's doing my fucking head in. Hey Cardo, music off. Wait for it. What do you reckon? Is it going to be, can you get off your bike and do it?
Probably, yeah.
Oh no. I'll go. Thank you. This is where I was coming along on that VFR 800 cross tourer.
Yeah.
And I hit a pothole just here and the screen flew off and I managed to catch it.
Lucky, wasn't it? You couldn't have got the blame for that though, could you?
Just here, that's what I hit. Oh look at that bastard.
Not a big one, yeah.
No, I walked back in, I said to Tom, something fell off, Tom. He went, shit, that ain't good. He said they obviously hadn't done that up when they've had it off to clean it. Yeah, there's space.
There is there?
Oh, we can go in behind. Oh, I won't go behind because it's a bus stop. Where are you?
On the other side of the Ninja.
Enter the Minja.